channel. I am Asta and hope you all are doing well. So today's video is all about the correct sequence to apply those Holy Grail skincare products which you must not skip if you want a healthy and happy skin. So I will be talking about what is the correct sequence to apply all those, like I have received many DMs on Instagram like I should apply serum first or the moisturizer or sunscreen. Like, yeah, it's very confusing actually. So let's get started. First product should be obviously your face wash. I am currently using this Cetaphil. Not only this, along with this I am also using the Clean and Clear one and Khadi Neem face wash. Those two are also very great. This is a great face wash. Celebrities swear by it. It is very gentle. Please make sure while buying your face wash that it should be gentle. It should not contain alcohol and too many chemicals. Chemicals don't good to your skin no matter what. I will not be doing it here because I have already washed my face. Take a little of it on your palm and then apply it like this way. Press. Try to press, don't rub. Try to press. After 30 to 30 seconds, wash it with lukewarm water or tap water or filter water. So when you are done washing your face, take a quick clean towel and don't rub it. Don't rub it like this. Always part dry, softly, very softly. Be gentle to your skin, guys, and it will be gentle to you. Always part dry in this way. So yeah, the next product should be the scrub. Is now the scrub you should use twice a week. If you are dry skin beauties, then you should use once in a week. And if you have very sensitive skin, then you should skip it and consult your dermatologist regarding this. So yeah, currently I'm using this Wow charcoal face scrub. Previously I was using that Clean and Clear one that was very effective. I have just started using it, so I can't say much about it. This is the charcoal face scrub, the much talked about. So now how should you use the scrub? Take the scrub on your palm and then focus on your T-zone area like this, this and this. Don't use it around your eyes, and scrub is very harsh one, so apply it very gently like on your T-zone area as I said, and then always with you lukewarm water or tap water or filter water, and then again part dry. So the third product would be a toner. Actually it has my homemade rose water, so I love spraying. So like spray it like this, or if you are using another one you can use cotton pad. I don't like using cotton pad. I love spraying and then gently pressing. Pressing is very good for your skin and rubbing is equally harmful. I love pressing it like this. So yeah, the third one is this toner. You can use cotton pad or use your finger, anything. The fourth product should be a serum. I am currently using this Biotic. I have used it previously as well. It is very good. This is Biotic Biodendron for all skin types. So now how to use a serum? Again, the method is same. Just press, don't rub. And the product will give you the maximum benefits. So now how to use it? Take a little of it, don't rub it. Some people massage with the serum as well, which is not good. So use it like this. Yeah, gently press it, don't rub it. Apply around your eyes in upward motion. Yeah, all skincare products you should be applying in upward motion, not like this. When you apply that, it will lift up your face, and if you apply like this, it will make your face like this. So always in upward motion. Very press gently, don't rub, just press. Take a note that always press your skincare product. You will not rub it and you will be gentle to your skin. Repeat after me. So the next product should be the moisturizer. I use this Lactocalamine and I love it. This is my third or fourth bottle I'm using it. So take like this and then apply like this, or you can use it like this anyway, but just make sure do not rub it. massage. Now you can massage with your moisturizer. It will benefit your skin like this, in this way. Yeah, gently in this way massage your moisturizer. It will benefit your skin. Around your eyes as well, gently press, very gently. I think it's done. So yeah, moisturizer is very beneficial for your skin. It hydrates your skin. Never skip your moisturizer, use it. So the last product in your skincare should be the sunscreen. Now I use this Neutrogena Dry Touch Sunblock SPF 50 plus. It is very good. It is recommended by all the dermatologists. It is, yeah, it is good. So whenever you buy a sunscreen, do check for this word broad spectrum. Like many products mention it SPF this plus, SPF this plus, but do check have they mentioned this word broad spectrum, and buy it accordingly. It should have mentioned this broad spectrum, then it will save you from that harmful UVB and UVA rays. So the sunscreen, again, method for all is almost same, not so different. With the moisturizer you have to massage a little, apply it like this. Now you will be thinking, why this order only, why I can't use in any other order? So the formula is कि जो प्रोडक्ट जितना थिक है उसको उतनी ही लाजमी अप्लाई करना है. वी हैव टू अप्लाई द प्रोडक्ट एज पर देयर थिकनेस. लाइक यू सी द सनस्क्रीन इज द थिकेस्ट वन, so you have to apply the toner first. It will absorb your skin, then the serum again, and then the moisturizer, and then this. Yeah, if you are using 2-3 serums, then also keep note of this formula. Then the serum which is the thickest, you have to use it at last. So yeah guys, this was all about today. Please mention if you have any doubt. If you have liked this video, then please press the like button. Please subscribe to my channel. Please comment your thoughts. You can follow me on Instagram and DM me your doubts. And yeah, I will be soon coming with a new video. Till then, bye bye and take care.